Hello kids, welcome to the class. The formula of finding simple interest is, simple interest, I'll write it as SI, is P into R into T upon 100. Now what is this P, R and T? P stands for principal, R stands for rate and T stands for time. Okay, so this all details will be given to you in your question. Now with this formula, you are going to find the simple interest. Like in the previous example you have seen, the interest I have written. So that interest you are going to find with this. But in the question they will be mentioning that how much will be the amount that the person is going to give back, or how much amount the person is going to get back. So that to find that thing, you have to find something known as amount. And the formula for amount will be principal amount plus the interest that you will get from this formula. So basically, to solve the sum on simple interest, you will be required to remember the simple interest formula and the amount formula. So first step will be to find the simple interest with the first formula, and then whatever interest answer you will be getting over here, that amount you are going to put it in this interest, and in the second step you are going to apply this formula of amount and you are going to find the answer. So that will be your final answer. Fine. So I'll just take a small question like this. Okay, so what do you observe? Here you observe the principal P is rupees 4,800. Rate is 5% per annum and time given is 2 years. Okay, so as I said earlier, the first step will be to find the simple interest. So to find the simple interest, the formula is P into R into T upon 100. So now just you have to put the values. So P means principal. Principal is the amount borrowed or amount given, that is money given. Okay, so that will be the principal. So over here it is rupees 4,800. The rate you can see is 5% per annum. So you are just going to write 5, nothing else you have to write, into how many years? 2 years. So you will just write 2 whole upon 100. Okay, now here you can see that 0 0 you can cancel easily. So when you will solve, now here many will be confused about how to solve. You will do 48 into 5 and then whatever answer you will get into 2. So the shortcut method is what you observe, 5 into 2 you easily know. 5 2 is 10 and 10 you multiply by 48. So it will be 480. So rupees 480 is your simple interest. So to find that how much money he have to give or borrow, you have to find something known as amount, and the formula of amount is principal plus interest. And what is the principal over here? It is 4,800. 4,800 I'll write, plus how much interest did you get? 480. 480. So when you add this both, you will get answer as 5,280. So the amount that the person will have to give back or will have to take back from other person will be rupees 5,280. Now I'll try to solve this given word problem. So the question says a man borrowed rupees 8,000 from a bank at 8% per annum. Find the amount he has to pay after 4.5 years. So first step whenever you find such type of question is to write whatever is given. So principal over here is given as rupees 8,000. Okay. Rate given is 8% and time given is 4.5, right? 4.5 year is given. So what we will do is we will convert it into a decimal. That will be easy for us to solve. 4.5 years we will do. Okay, so apply the formula. Simple interest is equal to P into R into T whole upon 100. P into R into T, 8,000 into 8% into 4.5. Okay, you can cancel this. Okay, the answer is rupees 2,880. So this will be the simple interest. This will be the simple interest for the given transaction, you can say. So now what is the question saying? That what is the amount he will have to pay at the end of 4.5 years. So for that you have to find the amount. Apply the amount formula, which is P plus I, that is principal plus interest. So P is 8,000. So 8,000 plus 2,880. And when you add them both, you will get answer as 10,880. So at the end of the 4.5 year, he will have to pay rupees 10,880 to the bank. So this is how we have to solve simple interest sum. So hope you have understood. If yes, then do subscribe to my channel. Meet in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye.